Right guys, back on the Mondays and the engine's out. I've started to strip some stuff off. It's now stupid o'clock at night and I've had enough. I've been out all day. I've been struggling this all day. Yeah, I did a little bit of sort of messing around there, but I don't know. There's a couple of plates going to go on those inner wings, going to repair those. But other than that, I think it'll come up alright. That stupid thing over there is broke, whatever that is, I don't know. Distributor's got to come out of this engine. I started taking the manifolds off. I've just run out of enthusiasm. I'm really happy run out of enthusiasm. So that's obviously tomorrow's job. Tomorrow's job also is to find the bolts to put the bloody steer rack back in, which I seem to have lost those at the moment. I think my enthusiasm to take all the pieces, I didn't bother to try and work out which bolts it was. I think I threw them in the wrong box, so maybe that'll do. That's one. That'll do it. That's one of them. That'll do anyway. It's not going to be a turn fix because that rack is leaking, so it's just going to be a steering system so I can take it out of this shed. If that makes any sense to you guys. If it does, then guess what? That's going to be hooked up back up so I can actually take it and power wash it. I'm going to cover it in that kitchen cleaner because 99% of rust strips. Get it back down its ground, get it out of the shed. Get this somewhere for this to go, sort the bits out of that and get that somewhere to go. That's tomorrow's job. And obviously we've got a few other bits and pieces over there. So now I can get back onto my trike. No, sorry, my soapbox. Anyway, so I can get back on the soapbox. So the soapbox really is actually waiting to. Soapbox is like really desperately to get done. So you know, from that point of view, if I don't get on with the soapbox, that's going to catch up with me really quick. I need to do that. I need to get it made ready. So I've done this. This is just tidying up and getting out. I'm not doing any more. I need it cleaned and I need somewhere for all this crap to go. Possibly up in the roof. If I can get some help, it's going to open the attic. We'll see. Anyway, so as I said, guys, there you go. I just want to show that the head shed never sleeps. I wish I did. There you go. I am now anyway. Alright, tomorrow I'm going to pay for this. My legs and my arms are aching really bad from doing this. I'd like to just say that, you know, I did it. It did take 4 days of my life, which I'm not going to get back, but I did get out on my own, single-handedly, and it was bleeding hard. So, like, subscribe, follow us back if you want to see some more of this crap, possibly going back together. It might do. We'll soon know. Tomorrow's another day. Talk to you then. Bye.